the shortest distance from A to B. It is the strength of our technology, our very philosophy. But our milestones hold a deeper story, one of innovation and ingenuity, of perseverance and values, of simplicity, sustainability, and success. For we are not just a company, but an organization that goes beyond. Our journey began 40 years ago with the pioneering spirit of our founder, Engineer Conrado P. Acedillo Sr., aiming to deliver more than the HVACs available to the market at the time. He partnered with Hitachi, the century-old Japanese company globally known for quality, reliability, and durability. But more than these qualities, Hitachi brought innovation. The heavy-duty screw compressor. Its simplicity led to zero system loss, from freon to air. Our design philosophy ever since. This enabled us to serve the pioneers of commerce in the country as they established what would become empires.
When I set up my company, Tycoons Engineering Corporation 40 years ago, I utilized the guiding principle that I learned in school when I was a student in Mapua Institute of Technology. The guiding principle that it's always simple is better. The shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line.
Our initial success inspired us to seek more, harnessing 40 years of engineering innovations to provide customers with more than the benefit of cooling, but compact design and energy efficiency unlike any other. With systems that take up significantly less space so that our clients can maximize valuable real estate, less noise, and reliability for uninterrupted workflow. And most importantly, substantial savings in power consumption, unmatched in our industry segment.
Direct cooling is big savings. And this is very important because of the passage presently of the energy efficiency and conservation law.
For 4 decades, our family grew, treating our customers as more than clients but partners, establishing payment schemes that are beneficial to both parties, helping them achieve profit growth, and providing satisfaction that exceeded expectations.
In 1999, the Lyceum of the Philippines University, or LPU for short, launched its roadmap to become an internationally accredited world-class educational institution. One of the main thrusts was to provide a conducive learning environment for our principal stakeholders, our students. And so we decided to air condition all our classrooms, all our laboratories. And we were happy to be able to find Tycoons, who supplied the Hitachi water-chilled, water-cooled screw compressors. This has been able to provide the cool temperature for our classrooms at a very low operating costs for now 20 years. And in 2009, when we launched our first teaching and research hotel, the Bayleaf, we looked to no other than to Tycoons to again provide us the world-renowned Hitachi air conditioners. This provided the Bayleaf a lower operating cost because the hot water was provided by the heat waste generated by the system. And so we have provided our guests a very constant, cool temperature, and we are now a 4-star hotel, and we are glad to be one of TripAdvisor's awardees. All thanks to HiCool.
In line with worldwide programs that aim for energy efficiency, we at Petron Mega Plaza were able to replace our 40 old air conditioning units without disruption in business operations. That's already savings right there. After that, we achieved a 27% reduction in consumption, improvement in thermal comfort, indoor air quality, as well as noise levels. And we even had less equipment breakdown. And to top it all, with the replacement of the old units, we were able to achieve 100% backup emergency power.
Very happy client of HiCool for the last 6 of their 40 years. Our relationship with HiCool got off to a very good start in 2013 when they replaced our 18-story building's centrifugal chiller and AHU system with Hitachi's screw-type system. It took them all of 3 months working weeknights and weekends with 0 work disruptions. It was a classic centralized versus distributed decision. With the bank going for the distributed approach, the new Hitachi system gave it plenty of flexibility. The 17 by 50 ton units providing cooling to individual floors, housing a workforce of close to 2,000. Being able to control each floor's air conditioning independent of the other floors was a great advantage. The system's smaller footprint freed up over 500 square meters of prime space. 200 square meters of the old AHU rooms were converted to storage areas, while 300 square meters from the old chiller area at the basement gave the bank an additional 12 to 13 parking slots. Given the current Makati CBD rental rates, that's over 1.5 million a year in savings. But the real gem is HiCool's energy-efficient system. The bank's electric consumption dropped 26% on average, translating to monthly savings of 1.23 million, for total annual savings of 16.3 million if you include the 1.5 million from the repurposed space. The drop was so big and so sudden it earned us a visit from Meralco to check our electric meter. We just came off a 5-year comprehensive maintenance agreement with HiCool, signing up for another 3 years. This underscores our confidence in HiCool's capabilities and Hitachi's technology. The bank more than satisfied with the system's reliability and availability. We expect to continue enjoying the benefits of HiCool's Hitachi system for many more years. Our investment has paid off, and I am taking this as an opportunity to support HiCool in their green advocacy by convincing more buildings to make the move towards energy efficiency.
As a manufacturer, we understand how efficiency plays a role in our factory's productivity and profitability. HiCool's retrofitting strategy and recommendation made us shift from air-cooled to the more efficient water-cooled screw-type package system that delivered cost savings of about 38.7% on our electrical consumption. Moreover, our overall productivity increased by 3.5% due to a more comfortable environment for our workers and lesser machine downtime. This translates to about 8 million pesos a year. Our plants 1, 2, 3, and 4, which run 24/7, are now kept at the right temperature and relative humidity all the time. HiCool continues to maintain our system professionally, and we look forward to our continued partnership.
HiCool designed and built the air conditioning system of one of Nation's building here in Taguig. It has been operating for 17 years now, and the core air conditioning system still functions well. Only a few interior renovations have been done since its installation. We are thankful to HiCool for their service and excellent systems.
Sometimes jokingly, I'm telling my friend, actually we're not selling aircon. We are selling comfort. What I mean, when we provide you the aircon system, we want you to enjoy the right temperature, the right humidity, and most important right now, lower operating costs.
But more than the success reflected in charts and balance sheets, we are proud of the impact we elevate in the environment as an ESCO accredited company.
Part of everybody's social obligation is to contribute in reducing global warming. Remember that every kilowatt hour we save is a step toward mitigating global warming. And this is very important for the future of our children.
For we believe that meeting the needs of progress can be both responsible and sustainable. Thinking beyond today, these efforts brought us recognition here and around the globe, affirming our meaningful journey. Through all these triumphs of the past 40 years would never have been possible without the men and women who go beyond, embodying our values each and every single day, continuing our mission of providing cool, clean, and cost-effective air conditioning systems that enable sustainable operations and minimize carbon footprint, and ultimately enhancing the lives and lifestyles of Filipinos.
Our organization is a small company, and cliché as it may sound, we're one big family. Everybody knows everyone. We connect with each other, share ideas and insights, and face the challenges together. Our people has been an integral part of our success. Their experience, technical skills, and expertise has made us what we are today.
An organization inspired to innovate, excited to share the journey with our partner clients, and setting the stage for a sustainable future. But this is simply the beginning, for we are a company that aims beyond.
I envision Cool in the next 40 years to still be an active player in our nation building. This we can achieve by actively promoting our innovative and energy-efficient cooling systems.
We support the view that energy efficiency should be mainstreamed as the first fuel of the economy, and we aspire to be a global Filipino engineering and energy service company who leads the way towards energy intensity reduction and a low-carbon economy through sustainable HVAC solutions in the country and the Asia-Pacific region.
We would like to thank our parents for building Tycoons, and we, the second generation, will do our best to continue building on this legacy. Tycoons will continue to deliver top-class execution in all its projects and assure our clients the highest level of commitment and services.
So I wish everybody to contribute. Let's save energy.
In our journey to being a major force in the HVAC industry, setting the standard and norm in energy-efficient practices, we will continue to expect more from ourselves and seek more for the country. We are Hyco Engineering Corporation, your partner for a cool change through 40 great years and beyond.